Hello and welcome friends, welcome back to another video. So friends, today in this video I am going to show you about how to build a WordPress website using Rishi theme. Now Rishi theme is a WP theme and it is a thing which you must be aware about. So this video is going to be very knowledgeable and very detailed for all those who want to start building their WordPress website without using any paid theme, but the website you're going to make is awesome. It's worth premium. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you completely step by step on building a WordPress website using Rishi theme. So all you have to do from your side is to follow up with this video. Now all you need to do is simply, first of all, you have to search on Google Rishi themes. Now as soon as you search this, you will get this website which is rishithemes.com. Alright, so core vital optimized WordPress theme. Now there are multiple features of this WordPress theme, like it is lightweight, SEO friendly and AdSense friendly and core vital optimized, which you can search on Google what is the meaning of core vital optimized theme. Okay, you will get a complete guide which means what a core vitals optimized theme. So this theme is something you should know about, and the best part is that it is completely free. If you want the pro price, which you can, if you want the pro plan, you can also use, but in the free plan also you're going to get multiple best services which you can't ignore, and along with this there are multiple web templates which you can make use of. As you can see, the speed which is 100%. Okay, so if you're going to use this theme in your WordPress website, then your website speed is going to be very fast. So integration with the plugins you love. So there are multiple plugins which are integrated with the Rishi theme. Now in order to make a WordPress website with the help of Rishi theme, all we need to do is, first of all, you have to buy a hosting. Okay, now in this case you can simply go to Hostinger, because it would be my first choice because it is very affordable and a very big web hosting company. So once you are done purchasing the hosting and domain, all you will get is a WordPress dashboard. So as you can see over here we are. Now first of all, as you can see, we are on the WordPress dashboard. Now from here our main work start. So let me come on the rishithemes.com. You will get the link in the description. You can simply come over here. Now as you can see, you have to download the Rishi for free. So there are multiple features of this theme which you can just read. Let me click on download Rishi for free. Now here it will ask you your email address, your first name and last name. So as soon as you fill this, you will be able to download this and an email will come in your inbox. Okay, so in my case I have already installed this WordPress theme in my PC. So all I have to do is simply, first of all, come at my WordPress dashboard and you have to go in the appearance and themes section. So as you can see, currently it is a default theme by WP. I have to change. For this you have to click on add new, then click on upload theme, then you have to simply drop that zip file over here and then click on install now. So as you can see over here, our theme has been successfully activated on our website. Let me click on activate button. So now our theme has been installed. Now as you can see, currently our site looks like this. Okay, nothing found over here, but all you have to do is simply you have to install a starter template. Okay, so let me go over here and you have to go in the Rishi theme section. Now over here you will be able to customize your website. As you can see, customize options like logo, color settings, typography. So it is very easy to customize theme. I will show you in this video only, don't worry. But first of all, we have to go in the starter sites templates. You have to click on install Rishi starter templates, and then you will simply come to this page where you will be able to see multiple templates. Some are pro and some are free. So hence it's up to you which theme you choose. So like if you want to see the preview of this theme, you will be able to see the preview completely for free. Okay, so I think this theme is for free, so I can use this theme. Alright, so all we need to do is simply you have to click on, you have to use this. So you can see another theme also, like in case, as you can see, if you want to use this, you have to simply click over this theme, and then all you have to do is simply click on import complete site. Okay, we want to import the complete site, and so you have to click over here. Now delete previously imported site. So in case if you have imported some another template of Astra and etc., So you have to click on delete and click on import button. Now this will take time. It may take up to 5 minutes, hence you have to wait, you have to keep patience. So as you can see over here, it is imported successfully. Now you have to click on view site. Now you will be able to view your site, which looks completely awesome. Okay, so as you can see, it is the home page of your website and it is looking amazing. Alright, so now let me move on. Just wait a second, let me move on to blog page. Now as you can see, there are some blogs. I mean, if you want to make a blog website, then even this is great for you. Now let me go to another pages like career, case study. So basically these all pages are made with the help of Elementor, which is a page builder, as you all know this. Alright, so only the blog page is built with the help of the Rishi theme. Okay, and these all like case study details and contact pages, these all pages are made with the help of Elementor, which you can customize one by one. Now let me come on this main website and cut all these tabs. Now from here our another step starts, which is to customize your website in your own way. Now first of all, let me come to my dashboard and click on refresh button. Just wait a second. Now you will be able to see multiple options like Elementor, templates, mega elements. Okay, so all you have to do is first of all you have to click on customize section. Now we want to customize this Rishi themes, which is very amazing. Okay, now I am going to tell you completely step by step all the options of this Rishi themes quickly. Now as you can see over here, basically there are three main options: general options, post pages, and WordPress defaults. So let me come to this one, which is layouts. Okay, now what are layouts? Just I will explain you by coming in the blog pages, because this blog page is made with the help of this Rishi theme, and these all pages are with Elementor. Alright, now as you can see, if you will go in the layout section, which means container. Now if you will increase the container length, which is 1200 pixel, now if you will make it 1500 and click on publish button. Now if you will come and refresh this page, you will be able to see that the width has been increased, and this is what container is. Okay, this whole thing is in a container, and here you have increased the width. So let me make it to default. Just wait a second, 1200 pixel. Okay, similarly you can even change the layout, I mean container, vertical spacing, everything else you can do over here. And if you want to customize in the tablet or mobile version, then it is up to you, you can even do this. But in this video I will show you only the customization option of desktop version, and on mobile and tablet you can do on your own. Now just let me come back over here in the sidebar section. Like if you want to increase the width of the sidebar, so currently it is 28%. Just wait a second, let me click on refresh. So as you can see, this is the width of the sidebar. If you want to increase the width, you have to increase this, and if you want to increase the spacing, which means the spacing between each element, okay, this is the spacing. So if you want to increase this also and click on publish and then refresh this page, you will be able to see changes. Okay, but now it is looking very bad. Let me just make it default and click on publish button. Now if you will come and refresh, you will be able to see some changes. Now in this sidebar section you can customize the sidebars. Okay, now over here button section is basically if you have any buttons on a website which is built with the help of this Rishi themes, then in this case you will be able to customize those buttons over here. Like if you want to keep the button roundness, a custom pixel you can do over here, and button pattern you can do over here. Now let me come back and scroll to top, which means it is basically a button, this button. Okay, it is on a scroll to top. If you want to make it on, you have to just make it on, and if you don't want this button to be appear over here, then you simply need to make it off. Now what is this? It is a 404 page. Now just wait a second, if I copy this and just let me add something over here. Now it will ask me that it is a 404 error, which means this page is not found over here. Now as you can see over here, if you want to customize the 404 image, which is currently this one, if you want to change this image, you have to upload a custom image over here. If you want to don't show the latest post, like if you scroll down, you will be able to see the latest post, search bar, and go to blog button. If you don't want these things to be appear over here, you have to just make it off. Like in this case, show it if you don't want to show it latest post, okay. And if you want to show the page blog page button, so in this case you can easily customize and click on publish button. Now one thing, we have complete the layouts. Now in the color section, which is very basic and necessary, like in case if you want to change the color, like a base font color, okay. So currently it is initial, okay. Now if I want to make it black, just wait a second and click on publish button. Now if you will come, as you can see, the font the font color is not black, but if you will refresh now, you will be able to see that the color is black now. It means that if you want to play with the colors of your text or anything else on your website, then you have to go in this section of color section. Over here you will be able to change the colors of links, text, border, section, and if you want to change the background of this background color of this website, so currently it is white, but if you want to make it another color, like if you want to make it blue, and click on publish and refresh this button, now it looks very bad. So let me make it default, but I'm telling you, over here you can do these all settings, okay. So let me come back, and as you can see, the next is header. Now header is an important part you have to focus more on over here, because what is header, okay. So as you can see, this is the header, logo and navigations and buttons. So as you can see, basically you can even add, just wait a second, let me come over here, cut this. Now there are 3 layers of header: top row, bottom row, and the main row. So this is the main row. If you want to add elements to top or bottom, you can even do this. For example, if I want to add these social icons at the center, and just wait a second, this contact icon at the bottom row, and click on publish button. Now you will be able to see the changes. As you can see, the social icons and the contacts, okay, contacts icon. So I'm just showing you how the things work, okay. You can even add elements to top row and the bottom row, but I don't want all these. Now in the main row, as you can see, logo comes over here, which means this logo, and it is a menu. So this menu, like in case if you want to, just wait a second. So currently the menu one is over here. Now if you will click over here and click on design option, okay, you can even design these menu icons. Now the main part is what to display in this menu, okay. So currently, as you can see, there are multiple menus which you can choose, but just wait a second, I will show you magic. Let me come to dashboard and click on appearance and menu section, okay, over here. Now as you can see, in this primary menu section, as you can see, there are menu 1, primary menu, top menu. Now I want to make a menu which would be a primary menu of my website. So just let me select some of the options to display in the primary menu. Just wait a second and click on add to menu. Now as you can see over here, you will be able to see some options. Let me add block also. It would be very nice, and it should be on front. Now this is the primary menu, and I have to display this, okay. Display location primary, and click on save menu. Now if you will come over here and refresh this section, customize section, and go in the header section, now I want to display primary menu in this menu 1. How to do this? Just simply click on menu 1, and over here you will be able to choose the primary menu and click on publish button. Now just see, have an eye on this and click on refresh button. Now you will be able to see that we are able to change the navigations, okay, change the menu items, and this is what customizing header means, okay. So once you are done with this, you can easily customize under settings of website. So it is very easy. Now let me come back, and over here, if you want to change the designs, it's up to you. So designing is up to you. I can only tell you how the things work. Let me come back. And if you want to add multiple items like social, search, logo, you can add on the top, main, or bottom row, okay. So let me come back. So over here in the footer section, similarly, as you can see, this is a footer. So as you can see here, also top row, main row, and bottom row. So currently, as you can see, this is the bottom row, this is the main row, and nothing over here in the top row. So let me just show you by adding a contact list in the top row, and click on publish button. and then come down, just wait a second and click on refresh button. Now you will be able to see that it is working, but I going to want to display this contact emails or list. So let me cut this option, just wait a second and click on publish button. Now as you can see, it is widget 1, widget 2, widget 3 and widget 4. So as you can see, in the widget 1 it is logo. Okay, as you can see logo. In the widget 2 text, in the widget 3 text. If you want to add this text in the widget 4, just copy this. You can add anything in the widget 4. So you have to click in the widget 4, and as you can see, nothing over here. You have to add icons. If you want to add image, headings, gallery, table, paragraph, you can add anything else and click on publish button. Now just simply click on refresh button. You will be able to see that we have added a text in the widget 4. Similarly, we can easily customize the footer. Now as you can see, similarly you can add multiple things in this row. Now let me come back and come in the SEO section. Now it is very basic. For example, let me come to any of a blog page, just wait a second. So it is a blog post. So what is this? It is a breadcrumbs. Now it will navigate a user like first in the home page, then in the blog page, then in this category, then in this is the blog page. Okay. So if you want to customize this breadcrumbs, like if you want to change the icon and bring it to center, you can even do this and click on refresh button. Now you will be able to see the changes. It is very easy. It will help you in SEO. Alright. Now social networks. All you have to do is simply you have to paste your social media accounts link over here. Okay, like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. So once you're done over here, your website user will be able to navigate from your website through your social accounts. Alright. Now this section is completed. Now we are over here, post pages. Let me go to blog page. Now this is the blog page. Okay. So it is also very easy, like if you want to change the layout. Okay, the main thing is layout. Like currently the layout is this one, classic. If you want to make it Mansouri grid and come back and refresh this, you will be able to see these options. Okay, so there are multiple options you can set as per your wish. Now like if you want to unhide this category, okay, all you have to do is simply cut this. Now similarly, as you can see, number of posts per row. If you want to increase the post per row, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's up to you. Currently it is 2. Now sidebar layout, this is the main part. There are some who don't want to display the sidebar. Even I don't display sidebars on my website. Okay, so what I have to do is simply, so currently it is this one, I have to click on no sidebars and click on publish button and refresh button. Now it is looking more beautiful. Okay, there are no sidebars on a website. I know sidebars has a good impact, but then also if you don't want, no worry. All right, so if you want to display the sidebars in the left section, you can even do it. It's up to you, but currently I don't want any sidebars. Now over here you will be able to see some more options like stretch layout. If you want to stretch the layout to the corners, it will display. So it is not looking good. Let me make it off and click on publish button. Now it is looking fine. Now come back. Okay, let me come back and go in the archive page. Now what is archive? First let me define you this. Let me first come to my dashboard and go in the categories section. So basically categories page is the archive page. Now let me go in the commercial category. So this is the archive page. Okay, so nothing found over here. Let me go in the news category. Okay, so there are some posts in this news category. I want to change the layout. For this I have to go in this section which is archive page. Now if you want if you want the Mansouri grid layout, so you have to click on publish and refresh button. Now you will be able to see that the Mansouri layout is over here, but I want to display only 2 posts per row. Limit the number, and then I don't want any sidebars and click on publish and refresh button. Now it looks similar to this. Now it is looking fine from my side. Okay, so this is basically archive page. Okay, so let me come back and you have to go in the author page. So similar to the archive page and blog page, if you don't want the sidebars, like if you don't want the sidebars, if you want the 2 per page, and if you don't want post meta and Mansouri layout, then click on publish button. So currently I think I don't have any author page on my website, so let me come back. Now search page. What is search page? I will show you. You have to click if you search something on my website, you will be able to see this search page. Alright, now all you have to do is simply you have to customize this. Like I want the Mansuri grid and I don't want post meta, and I want the 2 per post, I mean 2 posts per row, and even I don't want sidebar, and click on refresh button. Now you will be able to see that it is looking completely awesome. Alright, so let me come back. Similarly, you can even customize as per your requirement and wish. Now you have to go in the single post section. Now what is single post? You will be able to come to know in this by coming to one of a post. Now if you want to customize this single post, you can do over here. Like first of all, there are multiple layouts like this layout. I mean, if you want to bring this sidebar to the left section, or if you want to make it this layout, let me click on refresh button. Now you will be able to see that this layout, okay, so it is also looking awesome. And if you want to make this, you can even do this, it's up to you. So currently I'm happy with this. Now there are some more options, like if you want to display the post tag, navigation, author box, relate post. So there are some options which you can display and which you can't display. Okay, like there are some recent post which you can display, which you can hide by making it off, but I want to display. Alright, now there are some options like content area vertical spacing. Now if you will come above, you will be able to see some spacing from the top and from the bottom. But if you don't want this spacing, you can just simply disable this and click on publish button. Now you will be able to see that the space is less. Okay, it's look good, but if you want, you can have spacing. So you have to go in this, and if you want to have spacing from the top or from the bottom only, you can choose this and click on publish button. Now come back and you have to go in the pages section. Now similar to post, you can even customize a single layout of a page. Like currently I have a page, let me go in the pages section. So this is a sample page which is built with the Rishi theme. Okay, now these all pages are built with the Elementor, but this page is built with the Rishi theme. So I have to come over here. Now you will be able to see this page. Now if you want to customize this, you have to just first of all change the layout, like full width, centered, and okay, and there are some same options like single post. So it's up to you the way you customize and the way you make a website beautiful. So let me just come back, and we have completed the second option. Now over here, like site identity. So in this, all you have to do is simply, you can even, you can change the site icon, which is this one. This is known as site icon. If you want to remove, you can remove, and if you want to just make it another site icon like this one or this one, select and crop the image. Just wait a second and click on publish button and click on refresh button. Now you will be able to see the icon is changed. So let me refresh all the pages. Okay, now we are done over here. Now you have to go in the menu section. So menus, I have told you that you can easily customize these all menus. Okay, like a footer menu. If you want to customize the footer, you can even do over here. From menus, if you want to customize the menus, you can have a look over here, appearance, and in the menu section, this would be very easy for you instead of this. Now over here, widget section, similarly, if you want to display sidebars, you can customize, but in my case, I don't want any sidebars on any of my pages. Now home page settings basically are home pages, and these all pages are built with the help of Elementor, hence we have to customize by going over there. Okay, so no need of this. So if you want to make your home page as your blog page, if you want to display the latest post over here, you have to simply choose this, or else you have to choose this and click on publish button. Now if you're a programmer and know some HTML CSS codings, you can write additional CSS over here. But even I don't have any extra knowledge of CSS. I know, but I'm not an expert. Okay, so let me come back. Now this section has been completed. I've explained you each and everything in detail, the customization option of this Rishi theme, which is very beautiful. Now you can see the layout is completely looking awesome, the single post and the post page, and as you can see everything is fine. And the best part it is that it is SEO optimized, and it will loading WP theme. Now let me come to the main page. Like if you want to customize these pages, now basically these are all built with the help of Elementor. To open Elementor, okay, now for example, if you want to customize this page, let me come to the Elementor page first, then I will show you everything. Now basically it is very easy to do this. Like if you want to change the image, you have to click over here and click on choose image. Now there are multiple images over here which you can choose as per your wish. Okay, basically currently it is this one, so you have to click on insert media. Now if you want to edit something or if you want to delete something, you can even do anything easily. It is just as simple as 1 2 3. If you want to insert a link, you can even do this over here. Like currently it is hash. If you want to paste any link behind this button, you are free to do this. And once your work is saved, once your work is done, you have to click on update so that it can be saved. Alright, so here are some navigations which will help you, like text editor and headings and columns. Okay, this is the one column and this is the second column, and this is the inner section, and this is the whole column. So in this way you can easily have a look. Now if you want to delete a particular section, like if you want to delete this section, just simply click on cross button and it will be deleted completely, and click on update button and come back to your website and click on refresh button. Now you will be able to see that that section has been deleted successfully. So in this case, in this way you can easily customize your website. Now as you can see over here, it is very simple to customize a website, customize a page with the help of Elementor. You can change the images, you can just simply type anything, you can delete anything, you can just simply change anything else easily with the help of Elementor. Okay, similarly as you can see over here, there are some more pages which is built with the help of like Elementor. I will show you what we do, and career, case studies, these all pages are built with the help of Elementor. Hence if you want to customize this, you want to put your own data, you have to open it with the help of Elementor, and then you can easily customize one by one. Alright, so my main motive to make this video is to make you aware about the Rishi themes. Let me first come to its website because it is amazing. Just wait a second. Alright, so here we are, and as you can see the Rishi theme is over here. So first of all you have to install it in your desktop. You have to download the file and you have to upload to your WordPress dashboard. Then after doing this, all you have to do is simply you have to customize this Rishi themes, which you can do even more better than me. Okay, I have just explained you the elements and the options. You can even do from and much better. So in this video I have showed you everything about how to build a website using Rishi themes. So in this video this much only. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for all notifications right in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video.